Ever wished your phone could do more? Tired of lugging around a heavy laptop? Imagine this: your Android phone transforming into a mini laptop, giving you the best of both worlds. With a few simple steps and the right gear, you can turn this dream into reality. No more juggling devices or sacrificing productivity on the go. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your Android phone and experience the future of mobile computing. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Let's be real, our phones are already mini computers. They pack powerful processors, tons of RAM, and beautiful high-resolution displays. Why not unleash their true potential and leave that bulky laptop behind? This guide will walk you through everything you need to know. From the essential gadgets to software tweaks and must-have apps, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll be amazed at how easily your Android phone can transform into a productivity powerhouse. So, are you ready to ditch the laptop and embrace the future of mobile computing? Let's dive right in. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Before we begin, let's gather the tools for our phone to PC transformation. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy or expensive equipment. Here's your mini laptop starter pack, a USB-C hub or dock. This is the heart of your setup. Look for one with multiple ports, HDMI for an external monitor, USB-A for peripherals, and a USB-C port for charging your phone while in use. External monitor. Any monitor will do, but a larger screen definitely enhances the desktop experience. Connect it to the hub via HDMI for a spacious workspace. Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. These are essential for comfortable typing and navigation. Choose a compact keyboard and a responsive mouse for portability. Optional Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. For a more immersive experience, especially if you plan on using your mini laptop for media consumption or video calls. That's it. Just a few readily available items are all you need to turn your Android phone into a capable mini laptop. Now, let's move on to the exciting part: connecting everything and configuring your setup. With our gear ready, it's time to connect everything and switch your Android phone to desktop mode. Follow these simple steps. First, connect the hub. Plug the USB-C hub into your phone's charging port. Next, connect the peripherals. Connect the HDMI cable from the monitor to the hub and pair your Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Power up. Connect the hub's power adapter to charge your phone while in use. Enable desktop mode. This step might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer. Most Android phones have a desktop mode or Samsung DeX for Samsung devices option in the notification shade. Tap on it to activate, and voila! Your phone's screen should now be mirrored on the external monitor, transforming it into a desktop-like interface. You can now control everything using your keyboard and mouse, just like a regular computer. Android tweaks for a laptop-like experience. While your Android phone is now technically in desktop mode, a few tweaks can significantly enhance the experience and make it feel even more like a laptop. First, head to your phone's display settings and adjust the resolution and scaling to match your monitor for optimal viewing. Consider hiding the navigation bar for a cleaner, more desktop-like look. Most phones offer this option in the display settings. Next, adjust the pointer speed of your Bluetooth mouse to your liking for smoother and more precise control. Make sure the sound output is set to your external speakers or headphones for a better audio experience. These simple tweaks will make a world of difference, giving you a more polished and enjoyable mini laptop experience. App Power Up, your mini laptop software arsenal. Now that you have the hardware and settings in place, let's talk about software. While Android offers a plethora of apps, here are some must-haves for your mini laptop. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are great for productivity on the go. Microsoft Office apps are also available for a familiar experience. Stay connected with WhatsApp, Telegram, or your preferred messaging apps. Use Gmail or Spark for email management. Chrome, Firefox, and Brave are all excellent choices for browsing the web on a larger screen. Solid Explorer or Files by Google can help you manage files efficiently, just like on a computer. Don't hesitate to explore and install other apps based on your needs, whether it's for photo editing, video conferencing, or entertainment. Mastering the mini laptop tips and tricks for peak performance. Here are a few additional tips and tricks to help you master your Android mini laptop and unlock its full potential. Learn essential keyboard shortcuts for common tasks like switching between apps, copying and pasting, and taking screenshots. Take advantage of Android's split-screen multitasking feature to work on multiple apps simultaneously, just like on a laptop. Use a USB-C flash drive or an external hard drive to expand your storage capacity and access files easily. If you're using demanding apps for extended periods, consider using a cooling pad to prevent your phone from overheating. By incorporating these tips into your workflow, you can maximize productivity and enjoy a seamless mini laptop experience. Unleash the potential. Embrace the future of mobile productivity. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Android phone into a capable mini laptop. You're no longer bound by the limitations of a small screen or the weight of a traditional laptop. Embrace the freedom to work, create, and connect from anywhere with just your phone and a few essential accessories. As technology continues to evolve, the line between smartphones and computers is blurring. This setup is just a glimpse into the future of mobile productivity, where our phones become the central hub for all our computing needs. So, ditch the laptop, unleash the potential of your Android phone, and experience the future of mobile computing today. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Like what you see? Like, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced courses. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay safe.